Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Juliana and I'm so glad you guys could make it. Make sure to subscribe down below and also turn that post notification bell on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are notified. Wisdom tooth removed a few days ago, so if you guys did not see my previous vlog, make sure to go check that out. It'll be linked down below because my cheeks are a little bit swollen right now, so if you're wondering why I look like really chubby, that's why. Today's video is gonna be 8 work from home tips plus how to utilize your time. I get a lot of questions about this because I work from home and I do school from home and I do all that stuff from home. And I had a lot of questions about how I utilize my time and how I get everything done in a day and just how I just keep my schedule up and not get so bored and just not like risk laying in bed and watching Netflix all day. So some days that actually happens, but not most of the days. Most of the days I try to be very selective about how I spend my time and how I utilize my time. So today I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna share with you guys how to do that. So let's get started. First tip is have a routine. It is very important to have a routine because you don't want to, be all over the place. You want to keep your schedule flexible, but you want to make adjustments if you see you're kind of slipping up and you're not utilizing your time well. A routine is honestly what helps keep you on track with your tasks throughout the day. Versus if you didn't have a routine, then you're gonna be all over the place and you won't have a clear schedule pictured. So make sure that you have a routine because it's definitely gonna help you in the long run and it's definitely gonna help you to utilize your time. Number 2 is have a set wake up time because when I wake up at the same time every day, if you don't wake up at the same time every day, you're gonna feel like your schedule's all over the place and you're not gonna feel together. Make sure that if you work from home, have a set wake up time. If you don't commute, you can sleep in a little extra 10 to 15 minutes, but if you do commute, then get right up and hit the ground running because you want to make sure that you have a good day and you want to make sure that you get everything done in your day that you need to get done. So have a set wake up time. Yes. Number 3 is a very important one, but don't stay on your phone forever just because you can. Yeah, you work from home and you do everything from home, but that doesn't give you the opportunity to just stay on your phone, watch Netflix all day, lay in bed, do whatever you want, because then you're not really going to get anything done and you're really not working from home. You want to make sure that you really utilize your time and you really just kind of do that because in the long run that will make you less productive and you won't get as many tasks done as you would like to be getting done. My 4th tip is make your bed because if you make your bed and you have your living space clean and tidy, then it's going to make you a lot more productive and you're going to get a lot more done. Utilize your space and have a specific place that you need to work. So like I have a desk and then I have my bed for sleeping, my desk for working. Just kind of utilize your spaces and kind of use them to their advantage. So yes. I'm really loving myself today. Like I'm really talking well. Number 5, have a morning routine. This is really gonna help you to kind of kickstart your day before you start working. So it'll kick your day off with the right foot if you have a morning routine and you really utilize that time. And spend your morning routine in the kitchen because that is where you're gonna be doing things. So like cook breakfast, read, journal, make your bed, make some tea, go on a walk. Just do your stuff that you normally do in your morning routine because do this before you start working because this will definitely help to kind of set your day off on the right foot. Number 6, get ready to some degree. So if I'm not filming in that day, then I won't do my makeup, but I will do my hair if that makes sense. So like get ready to a degree. If you know that you're going to be tired and you're going to want to lay in bed all day, then put some jeans on and go sit at your desk because that's really going to help to keep you on track and get your tasks done those days. But your skincare routine, get out of your pajamas every single day, even if it's into another kind of put together comfortable outfit, then do that. But don't stay in your pajamas all day. Sometimes put makeup on and fix your hair. Have your morning routine in the kitchen, like I said earlier. But then come to your desk to start the work day and then in the evening be in the living room to do some evening work, etc. You want to kind of be selective about your spaces and you want to separate this part of the house from this part of the house and do this type of task and this type of task, if you know what I mean. And okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a schedule and like what I do during my day. So my morning tasks are usually I catch up on my emails and then I will prep any content that needs to go up that same day. I will do last minute editing. I will set up Instagram posts and the drafts on my phone and I will also do the captions and the tag. I will do my descriptions for videos and I will set up the tags for those videos as well, and then I'll start my work day. And then in the midday / evening, I will be flexible with my schedule. So if somebody wants to have lunch with me, then I will kind of make some time for that, and then I will, like, whatever I was supposed to do in that time frame, I will do that in the evening and kind of move it down there. So, and then make sure you take breaks, do all that. And if I film, I do it between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. because that's when the sun is out and that's when I can get the best natural lighting. Like right now it's 12:06 p.m. so I'm filming within that time frame, and then start editing directly after filming. And then at night, if whatever I didn't get done during the midday, I will do that in the evening. And then I'll also catch up on emails from the day, but I don't want to spend too much time at nighttime to do my work because that's what I like to do, my family time, and that's when I like to spend time with my family, yada yada yada. So yeah. And then meals, I like to cook at home a lot because I'm going to be using my time at home to my advantage, and I like to cook meals at home, you know, experiment with new foods, etc, etc. And then exercise, maybe workout in the evening, do morning workouts, go to a 3 p.m. workout class. Just utilize your time and get a workout in. Okay guys, that's it, bye. So shut up, Aiden. I cannot film today, Aiden. I feel like I'm gonna scream. Don't worry. Maybe.
Are you done?
No.